Today we're finishing up on the Object Zool Air changes that we've made to the game just to make Object Zool work a little bit better. Let's take a look at the way it's working now and looking at that last little part. So here's Zool. I can stand next to the wall now and jump and still get onto the top. That's the behavior I was looking for the other day. It's the first time I've been able to get up there, so. The behaviors we were looking for is when we jump and we hit a wall, we want to float up the wall a little bit before we fall. So you see how I jump up and then finally fall. Also, as my head clears the bottom of a ledge, I want to kind of continue on to the left. What were we required to add to be able to do that? We added a few more constants. This one here, max drift speed. And then we made significant changes to Object Zool Air in order to do that. Mainly to this collision event. It gets really kind of busy. So here's the last part. Basically we want to go back to Object Zool Land. We're going to put in a collision event with ledge. Looks like I've already done that. So add this event, Object Zool Ledge. The first question is, what is a ledge? If you look in the room, the test room, and I shut off all the tiles, the question is, where are the ledges? And the answer is, there aren't any. At first I was thinking these green things were ledges. They just happen to be up in the air. Actuality, these aren't ledges. These are platforms. So the question is, where are the ledges supposed to go? Well, if you look at our tiles, these blocks are supposed to be ledges right here. Here's our platform. Here's our ledge. So it looks like if you look at the ledge right, the line is on the top, so perhaps it would go right there. So notice I'm putting the ledge in right along the top of the blue square. You also want to put it right here as well, on the top of the red square. That's called a ledge. And then you have a set right here as well that you have to put in. So we're just filling those in right now. More up here, and then here as well. Now when Zool hits the ledge from the bottom, you just ignore it, but if he hits it from the top, then you want him to be able to stand there. Let's see what happens now. Now that we have the ledges in the game. Okay. See how I'm bump my head on the bottom of the ledge? We don't want that to happen. We want him to go through the ledge coming from the bottom, but to stand in it once it's on the top. See, now we can jump up on top of these, but that's not the behavior we want. Just can't go any higher than that. Okay? So you'll use these ledges to get up to higher levels of the game. So we have to fix that head bump thing. Let's reopen Object Zool Air then. And we're going to create a unique collision event with ledge and air. So let's go find that ledge. There it is. And what we want to do is just copy everything that we were doing inside solid. That's all this stuff. And we're going to put that into ledge with some modifications. First thing we want to do is add this test to the top. And this is what we put in. We do a test variable. So you say y previous. I think this is the first time I've seen this, is where they put an equation instead of a single variable in for the variable. This is the correct way. that. Yay. Now this allows us to jump to higher levels in the room. Ooh. Oh, so close. So that's kind of fun on this level. You get to go a little bit higher now. Eventually we'll have to put in some mechanics for the slide. That's it on Object Zool Air. Cool.